Hey, today I'm going to show you how to fix a broken weight. As you can see, this is not much good. You don't want to be doing a overhead shoulder press, and this bad boy comes down on your head. Essentially, the weight is nothing more than a massive nut and bolt. If you have a look here, you'll see there's a thread here and a thread here. So basically all this is just one big nut and bolt. Do it up tight. Obviously you can do it up as tight as you like, but it's going to keep coming off. This is where our thread locker comes in. Thread locker, Loctite. All this is basically a glue for nuts and bolts that keeps the thread together. You can use any type you like as long as it's the absolute strongest kind. Really, really easy to do. Oh, I should say as well, if your thread is really rusty and dirty, you might want to hit it with a steel brush or give it a bit of a clean, but I've already done that. Pretty much all you got to do is grab your thread locker. Basically just bring your camera in and have a look. All you have to do is just get that thread locker on the thread, just smash it on there because there's a lot of thread. On a normal bolt you wouldn't use anywhere near this much. A lot of people will probably say this is overkill, but you'd rather more than less. Once you've done that, it is literally a case of screwing it back together like this. Just pop it back on, screw it in. Now with thread locker, it's really important, once you get to the end, unscrew it a couple of turns and then screw it back on. Screw it in as absolutely tight as you can. Clean up the excess. Let it sit overnight upside down, and that's basically it. Leave it for 24 hours, good to go.